Hey guys, welcome to IndusCore Tech. In this video, I will use the NasNetMobile model for the prediction of our lion's image. So last time we used the prediction with ResNet. So let's start and see the result. So to make a comparative between the NasNetMobile and the ResNet. So this series of videos just to show you the models that we are using in the TensorFlow, that we are capable of using TensorFlow library. So here with ResNet we have a 46% of prediction of this image. It's quite low, so let's see if we get a better result with the NasNetMobile. Just to reminder, for now the best inference we got is with ImageNet v2. So here we'll change this for the NasNetMobile. That's the name of the model. Here it will just be NasNet. For the preprocess, for the decode, it will be NasNet also. And here for the text image, NasNet. This video is just to show you the models that we can use with TensorFlow. I'm not telling you which model is the best one for your project, so you need to test many of them and make a comparison between them. And of course you need to build your own dataset. Okay, here I'm using the ImageNet dataset, but in your case, for your project, and more importantly in the industrial vision or industrial project, you need to build your own dataset. Okay, so let's see the result. It's 96% with the NasNetMobile. Okay, so for now, yeah, it's the highest score that we got. It's a good one. So NasNet from far away is the best model that we used and we get for now in this series of video in Vision here. So thank you guys. I hope that you will like the video, so please put likes, comments and follow me, and see you next time. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.